Hello everyone, and welcome again to another video and another trick. Coming across this issue discussed in this forum and wanted to share with you the most effective way of getting out of it. This guy here is posting this issue. Let's read together, or let me read for you. I know most people don't like to read. Hello, hope everything is fine. I wanted to update my BIOS because I saw in the update details some stuff that could improve laptop performance. Currently, I am not facing any problems. The problem is that my board ID is 80DE, got it from the BIOS page, and I can't find it among the downloaded BIOS files. What I find is 80D7, 80DA, E6, and E9. As a result, I don't know if I should update with one of the similar IDs like 80DA, or should I get over updating the BIOS? Thanks a lot in advance. This guy, Huffer, seems to have a solution. Don't worry about your board ID. Not a thing HP uses in putting compatible drivers and BIOS out there. You can install a BIOS update on the support page for your model with no worries. So, you are having troubles with the installer? What exactly happens when you try to use it? According to Mr. Buffer, it seems that HP is playing games with us by including 4 different BIOS files within the same executable file, as we will explore in more detail later in this video. First of all, thanks for your replay. Currently, I am on F44. I downloaded the BIOS you mentioned before, but the problem is that I don't know if it's safe to use different board ID than mine. The BIOS board IDs listed when I try to update it manually are 80D7, 80DA, E6 and E9, and mine is 80DE. Installing the BIOS directly from the installation doesn't update it. Huffer guy is just lazy. He using copy-paste and posts his first answer for the second time. I told you most people don't like to read nowadays. Huffer is one of them. Guys, let's see how to deal with this issue. Just watch and follow carefully. So, as you can see, we're facing exactly the same situation as our guy in the HP forum. We got 4 BIOS files, and the question is, which one to choose? None of these 4 BIOS files matches our guy's board ID, and that's precisely what he's attempting to clarify in his post. This is how to deal with such a situation. Open the platform.ini file, which is inside the SP88872 folder. In which you need to search for your board ID. There's often one result, and just in the same line, you will find the exact BIOS model you have to use for that board ID, which is in our case, 08 or D8 bin. As you can see from repeating the search, we notice that there's only one result, and that's it. Our issue is fixed. We now know which file among those 4 we have to use. Fortunately for the forum guy CBXN, he made the correct choice by relying on his intuition. Next time, if someone of you got any issue relating to BIOS, don't ask in HP forums. The best answer I've ever seen in those forums was, you have to change your motherboard. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't like it, feel free to dislike. And for those who have been watching but haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now, or you might just become the star of the next video like Buffer.